Hi friends, welcome back and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the custom diamond painting that I ordered from MyCraftJoy. Let's take a look and see what's inside. MyCraftJoy in the upper left-hand corner. The image of the photo that I sent in on the upper right-hand corner. This is a very large diamond dot painting. The photo I selected is also on the left lower. And again, they have the MyCraftJoy at the bottom left. It is covered. When you start doing the diamond dot, you're going to peel off the adhesive as you're working on the different sections. And you just roll it up to store it while you're working on it. It also came with instructions. And this tells you the quantity of each one. Follow these simple steps to complete your diamond painting with ease. Step 1, you refer to the table on the canvas to identify each diamond number and the corresponding printed number on the packages. Step 2, you dip the round end of the dotting pen into the pink wax. The tip will become sticky, allowing collection of the diamonds from the tray. Step 3, starting at a corner, you peel back the adhesive film on the canvas. Collect the diamonds from the tray using the dotting pen. Step 4, apply the diamonds matching the symbols on the printed canvas. And step 5, once the canvas is completed, apply pressure to fix the diamonds to the surface. You can hang your diamond painting with ease. Canvas stretcher bars are the ideal DIY way to stretch and hang your new DIY 5D diamond painting. No gluing is required in the assembly of the stretch bars, and you can hang your diamond painting the easy way. The stretch bars are constructed from kiln-dried pine and are pre-cut interlocking corners that fit tightly together. And to order your stretcher bars, you go to www.mycraftjoy.com/stretchers. The kit comes with double-sided parchment paper that is pre-cut into squares. The kit comes with a tray with a pouring lip. The kit also comes with tweezers, a stylus, and some wax strips. And these are all of the different color diamonds for the painting. These are all the diamond dots that I'm going to need for my painting. I sorted them by number. To complete this diamond painting, I have 48 different colors of diamonds. To find the number that corresponds with the color of the diamonds, you look at the sticker in the far left corner there, and you'll see that's the number 1. And you're going to match it with this number 1. And to begin, pour a few diamonds onto your tray. Peel back the adhesive. Put one of the diamonds onto the stylus pen. Find a corresponding letter, in this case the N, and push down. And I did a few just to show how it looks like. And this is going to take a little while to complete since it's a 60 by 80. The diamond paintings come in different sizes. The smallest is an 8-inch by 10-inch, and that's 20 by 25 centimeters. And those start about $25.95 each. The next size, you can get a 18 by 24 inch, which is 45 by 60 centimeters for $45.99. And another size is a 39 by 39, 100 by 100 centimeters for $139.95. They come in a variety of sizes, and when you're online ordering, you can see the different sizes, and they vary in price. MyCraftJoy is a US company, and they ship worldwide. There's 24/7 customer service. If you're interested in ordering one, go to MyCraftJoy.com, upload your picture, your photo, and get your custom diamond painting. That's it for today's unboxing video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support for my channel is greatly appreciated. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon in my next video. Bye-bye.